स्टूडेंट, इससे पहले हमने इसके जो मेजर एक्टिविटीज़ हैं और मेजर एक्टिविटीज़ में इसकी प्रोडक्शन क्रेडिट एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस किया। इन्वेस्टमेंट क्रेडिट के बारे में केवल 2 पॉइंट डिस्कस किए। नंबर 1 आपका एलिजिबल इंस्टीट्यूशंस और पर्पस, यहाँ तक डिस्कस किया था। आज नंबर 3 पॉइंट स्टार्ट है इसका लोन पीरियड। देखिए, लोन्स आर ग्रांटेड फॉर ए मैक्सिमम पीरियड ऑफ 15 ईयर्स। नंबर 4 refinance windows. Automatic refinance facility is extended whereby release by refinancing assisting is made without prior sanction for refinance limit up to 20 lakh. Such finance is available for project based lending. Number 5 criteria for refinance. Refinance for investment credit is made available based on the following criteria, जैसे कि आपका टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, फाइनेंशियल विएबिलिटी एंड बैंकेबिलिटी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल अरेंजमेंट फॉर क्रेडिट सुपरविजन। सो नेक्स्ट, अल्टीमेट बेनिफिशरीज। देखिए, ऑल्दो रीफाइनेंस इज प्रोवाइडेड टू SCBs, CBs यानी कॉमर्शियल बैंक, शेड्यूल्ड कॉमर्शियल बैंक, रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स, the ultimate beneficiaries of investment finance may be individual, proprietary, partnership, concern, companies, state-owned corporation or cooperative societies. Number 7, margin money. NABARD stipulates beneficiary contribution to the project cost in order to ensure her stake in the investment. Such margin money generally varies from 5% to 25% according to the type of investment and category of borrowers. Number 8, special focus. NABARD considers removals of regional and sectoral imbalance as one of the thrust areas and gives preference to the needs of less developed areas in the terms of allocation of resources, quantity of refinance, etc. For the development of north-eastern region, the bank has been making special efforts through refinance on liberal terms and other supportive measures for strengthening the rural credit delivery system. नेक्स्ट आता है माइनर इरिगेशन। Water is the most essential single input required for increasing the agriculture productivity. India receives about 120 centimeter average annual rainfall, but it is low, which is unevenly distributed and seasonal in character, warranting need for development of irrigation scheme project with the cultivable command area less than and are classified under minor irrigation category. Minor irrigation project command reliability and more advantage like small investment, less environmental hazard, early completion, easy to manage, operation under the farmers control, quick return, एक्सेट्रा। स्टूडेंट, जो माइनर इरिगेशन स्कीम्स हैं वो किसानों के लिए सिंचाई के लिए, जिससे फसल की प्रोडक्टिविटी को बढ़ाया जाए। जैसे इस समय गवर्नमेंट ने इस सेक्टर में काफ़ी काम किया है। गांव-गांव में बिजली के ट्यूबवेल प्लस समरसेबल प्लस सूर्य लाइट इनकी सुविधा प्रदान की है, जिससे किसान अपनी फसल का प्रॉपर तरीके से इरिगेशन कर सकें, जिससे उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो सके। नंबर 4 आता है प्लांटेशन एंड इट मीन्स plantation and horticulture broadly cover development of fruit crops such as mango, grape, elaichi, apple, banana, etc. Plantation crops such as tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, palm oil, betel wine, etc. Ornamental crops such as rose, jasmine, zebra, etc. Spicy such as cardamom, pepper, clove, nutmeg, etc. Or medicinal plants such as गूगल, पीपली, आंवला, इसबगोल, पैक्सीविंकल, एक्सेट्रा. Essential oils, aromatic plants such as palmarosa, vetiver, mint, etc. It also include vegetable crops like parval, kundru, and other vegetables, etc. and others such as sericulture, apiculture, mushrooms, seed production and other related activities. यानी प्लांटेशन, हॉर्टिकल्चर यानी बागवानी, ये कुछ मैंने इसके प्लांटेशन एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर के बारे में बताया। Student, next, land development, soil conservation and water management. देखिए, judicious use of land and water resources, soil health improvement and reclamation of degraded lands are prerequisites for increasing agriculture production to promote sustainable agriculture. NABARD is making available the following type of refinance for this sector on priority basis. जैसे नंबर फर्स्ट, soil and water conservation. It means to prevent soil and water erosion and reclaim already damaged lands. Financial help from banks can be availed of by individual farmers for undertaking activities like land labeling, tracing, bunding, contour bunding, graded bunding, bench tracing, contour tracing, stone walls, construction of water base, disposal drains, slit application, integrated measures, etc. Next is border side development. Rain-fed farming on border side basis identified as the key area of development needed for increasing food grain production and income in fragile ecosystems. Number third, वाटर मैनेजमेंट. Under irrigation project, poor water management and land development result in water logging and land degradation, leading to salinity. To prevent this on farm development, measure like and leveling and drainage channel are required. Next, land reclamation. Unscientific and uncontrolled use of water in irrigation command areas has left productive lands uncultivated due to salinity and alkalinity. To bring back these degraded lands for higher productivity. Last, production of organic measures etc. Manures etc. Excessive use of agriculture chemicals coupled with over exploitation of land and water resources has led to deterioration soil health. Liberation application of organic manures is need of the hour to restore soil health and improve soil productivity. यानी लिमिट से ज़्यादा केमिकल्स का फसल पर यूज करना कहीं ना कहीं ज़मीन के जो स्तर है, जो उसकी क्वालिटी है, जो उसकी किस्म को गिरा रहा है. स्टूडेंट, इसके बाद आता आपका एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. एनिमल हस्बेंड्री इन इंडिया इज क्लोजली इंटरवोवन विद एग्रीकल्चर एंड प्लेज एन इम्पोर्टेंट complementary role in the rural economy. It provides high quality human food such as milk, meat and eggs, wool fiber and manure in addition to gainful employment and supplementary income to the vast majority and rural population. Next, development of fisheries sector. India occupies 6th position in the world as regard fish production and contributes a little over 4% of the world fish production. Of the total fish produced, it is estimated that about 23% amounted to aquaculture. Last, research and development activities. NABARD extends refinancing assistance to enable firms to undertake research and development activities as a breeding, development of forcemen, catamaran, pilot project, development of technology, development of flow through aquatic system. स्टूडेंट, आज हमने इसकी एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस किया और कल इसके एन अपडेट ऑन परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ नाबार्ड के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.